Hell, pussies. We're gonna do a video this. Hit the big Glendale III, got Home Depot. Yeah, I know. Why did you buy it? I thought it looked cool. It looks cool, and then the first screen, it's actually pretty decent. I got a friend with me too.
Huh?
Hey, you're talking of retarded.
Yeah, hello, what's up, y'all?
So my friend's been retarded today. So, yeah. The mounting is not great on this. Like, if we put this somewhere permanently, I recommend changing the ball out to a white one. Because it's one of those you charge it too much, it will fall right out. I mean, really, it's not gonna fall right out, but you can still, it could fall. So, yeah, it's a lot. Oh, and yes, I did get a trap pack, guys, from New Lights, so I'm gonna start dancing with the light off with these lights, and you tell me what you think about it. This shit right here is almost stiff, but I put 34 in it, so it's pretty good. I thought my phone would talk more of it.
Yeah, I really don't feel like talking more today. But yeah, he wanted me to come over. He's spending the night 2 times at my house. So we're here just making this video today for the cell fan.
So my head is giving away people because I had checked what? How? There's no way to do this in a tight space. Let's go online.
Huh?
We'll go medium. I probably won't with my boots as long as I used to. I don't know. So my friend Joe's on his phone. I'm gonna shove it so up his ass.
You show him my ass, we're gonna be fighting, motherfucker.
Medium, it's humming. I can hear it. But I also do it for a good reason, right? For Glendale. It's the big Glendale. I can't remember this guy kids YouTube me, but he was Glendale. Here's to the right of the standard visions. One that's more housing with and a new one. It does not wobble. The other thing is trying to get download tightened so it doesn't wobble. Yeah, it's a whole nother deal. Let's let's board shit around. First one, it's not on my whole thing on. Oh no, it's not bad, I ain't gonna lie. Because brand new, but I thought two capacitors gone out. That's high.
Cut out over here.
Turn that fan. Pull it one more time so it doesn't shake. Alright, now we'll just spin down pussies. With a little toe touch. Let's do it that way. I'm surprised you're hot, Dan. It's kind of cool down here.
Yeah, I know.
I got it stopped, so now we'll do the bush. Ow. Well, the bush. Remember bush. Have a bush.
Going to ain't hard.
That's a lot in the doorway here. Really good, fan. Is that bad? Cause it's really
The fan room.
good, fan.
So hell no.
I have that. Ah. Do it up close.
All right, pussies.
Here's up close.
What's up, pussies?
He got high, so high. Don't hit me in the head. Hit the red poles. This is stupid. You gonna go back to the poles. Every day I can wait this stupid stage at the school right on. But now this one's stuck. I don't know how to get off of the side, right? But like it's blades, top is black. There's one tag and there's another tag there. Can't get to a tag, so. I'm gonna with the wire, so.
Excuse me, I gotta do something.
Listen, go, peace out, pussies.
Pussies.